Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, marketing. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or simply curious about how the world works, understanding marketing is essential. So, let's get started. What is marketing? At its core, marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services. It involves understanding what customers want, creating products that meet those needs, and communicating the value of those products to potential buyers. Think of marketing as the bridge between a business and its customers. It includes various activities like market research, product development, pricing, distribution, and advertising. Why is marketing important? 1. Helps reach customers. Effective marketing helps businesses find and connect with their target audience. Without marketing, even the best products might go unnoticed. 2. Builds brand awareness. Marketing helps create a brand identity and establishes recognition in the market. The more people know about a brand, the more likely they are to trust and buy from it. 3. Increases sales. Good marketing strategies can lead to increased sales and revenue. When customers understand the benefits of a product, they're more likely to purchase it. 4. Encourages customer loyalty. By keeping customers informed and engaged, marketing helps build long-term relationships. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. 5. Stays competitive. In a rapidly changing market, marketing helps businesses stay relevant. It allows them to adapt to new trends and consumer preferences. Understanding the differences, marketing versus promotion versus advertisement versus shopping. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they have distinct meanings. Marketing, the overall process of creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. Promotion, a subset of marketing that focuses on communicating with potential customers to inform them about a product or service. This can include sales promotions, public relations, and personal selling. Advertisement, a paid form of promotion, often through media like TV, radio, print, or online platforms. Advertisements aim to persuade customers to buy a product. Shopping, the act of purchasing goods or services. While marketing influences shopping behavior, shopping itself is a consumer activity. Sales, the process of closing a deal or transaction. While marketing generates interest, sales involve converting that interest into actual purchases. Examples of top companies and their marketing investments. 1. Coca-Cola investment. In 2021, Coca-Cola spent approximately $4.1 billion on advertising and marketing. Strategy. Coca-Cola focuses on emotional marketing, creating campaigns that revolve around happiness and togetherness. Their Share a Coke campaign personalized bottles with names, encouraging consumers to connect with the brand on a personal level. 2. Nike investment. Nike invested around $3.4 billion in marketing in 2020. Strategy. Nike's marketing strategy is heavily centered on inspirational storytelling. The brand leverages high-profile athlete endorsements and creates motivational ads that resonate with a broad audience. Their Just Do It campaign emphasizes determination and empowerment. 3. Apple investment. Apple spent about $1.8 billion on advertising in 2021. Strategy. Apple focuses on creating a premium brand image. Their marketing strategy includes minimalist advertising, high-quality product launches, and creating a sense of exclusivity. Apple also excels in creating hype around new product releases, fostering strong customer loyalty. 4. Procter & Gamble, P&G, investment. P&G allocated approximately $7 billion for marketing in the fiscal year 2021. Strategy. P&G utilizes targeted marketing and social media to reach its audience. They often address social issues through their campaigns, like their Like a Girl ad for Always, which aim to empower young girls and challenge stereotypes. 5. Amazon investment. Amazon's advertising costs reached around $27 billion in 2022, significantly increasing its marketing expenditure. Strategy. Amazon employs data-driven marketing strategies, utilizing customer data to create personalized shopping experiences. Their focus on digital marketing, including sponsored products and ads, has made them a leader in e-commerce marketing. What good marketing can achieve? Effective marketing can significantly transform a company's future in numerous ways. Increased brand recognition. A well-executed marketing strategy helps a brand stand out in a crowded marketplace. By consistently communicating the brand's values and unique selling points, good marketing fosters recognition and recall among consumers. Higher sales and revenue. Effective marketing campaigns can drive sales by attracting new customers and encouraging repeat purchases from existing ones. A well-defined target audience ensures that marketing efforts resonate, resulting in higher conversion rates. Customer engagement and loyalty. Good marketing not only attracts customers but also engages them over time. By creating meaningful interactions through various channels, like email, social media, and events, companies can build strong relationships that foster loyalty and long-term customer retention. Market expansion. Strategic marketing allows companies to enter new markets or segments. Through research and analysis, businesses can identify opportunities for growth, tailoring their products and messaging to meet the needs of different audiences. Adaptation to trends. A robust marketing approach includes constant monitoring of market trends and consumer behavior. This adaptability helps businesses stay relevant and responsive to changes in the industry. The importance of a strong marketing team. Having a strong marketing team is crucial for several reasons. Diverse skill sets. A well-rounded marketing team brings together various skills, including content creation, data analysis, digital marketing, and graphic design. This diversity enables the team to tackle different aspects of marketing effectively. Creativity and innovation. A talented marketing team can develop creative campaigns that capture attention and differentiate the brand. Fresh ideas and innovative approaches can lead to breakthrough campaigns that resonate with consumers. Strategic planning. A strong marketing team understands the market landscape and can devise effective strategies based on research and insights. This strategic approach helps maximize the return on investment for marketing efforts. Collaboration and communication. A cohesive marketing team works collaboratively, ensuring that all campaigns are aligned with the overall business objectives. Effective communication within the team helps streamline processes and improve outcomes. Performance measurement. A dedicated marketing team continuously analyzes the effectiveness of campaigns. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and adjusting strategies based on data, they ensure that marketing efforts are efficient and impactful. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote products or services, engage with customers, and build brand awareness. This form of marketing allows businesses to connect with their audience in real time, share content, and foster community. Key elements of social media marketing: content creation, developing engaging and shareable content tailored to the audience's preferences. Community engagement, responding to comments, messages, and reviews to foster relationships with followers. Advertising, utilizing paid ads on social media platforms to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to the company's website. Analytics, tracking performance metrics to understand what works and refine future strategies. The most difficult aspect of social media marketing. One of the most challenging aspects of social media marketing is keeping up with the ever-changing landscape. Here are some specific challenges. Algorithm changes. Social media platforms frequently update their algorithms, affecting how content is distributed and seen by followers. Marketers must stay informed and adapt their strategies to ensure visibility. Content saturation. With millions of posts published daily, standing out in a crowded space can be daunting. Brands need to create unique and engaging content that captures attention amidst the noise. Audience expectations. Consumers expect timely, authentic, and relevant content. Meeting these expectations requires constant effort, creativity, and responsiveness. Negative feedback management. Social media is a platform for open dialogue, which means negative comments or reviews can appear publicly. Handling criticism effectively while maintaining a positive brand image can be challenging. Measuring ROI. Quantifying the return on investment from social media efforts can be complex. Understanding which metrics matter and how they translate into tangible business results is essential for evaluating success. Best practices in marketing. 1. Know your audience. Understand who your customers are, what they need, and how they prefer to shop. Use surveys, social media, and market research to gather insights. 2. Create a strong brand. Develop a clear brand identity, including a memorable logo, consistent messaging, and a strong online presence. 3. Utilize social media. Engage with customers through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Share valuable content, respond to comments, and create a community around your brand. 4. Focus on quality content. Provide useful and informative content that addresses customer needs. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. 5. Measure and adjust. Regularly analyze marketing campaigns to see what works and what doesn't. Use metrics like sales data, website traffic, and customer feedback to make informed decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, marketing is not just about selling products. It's about understanding customers, building relationships, and creating value. It plays a vital role in the success of any business. The examples of top companies show how strategic investments in marketing can lead to brand loyalty and increased sales. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.